Welcome to my channel. So today I'm here with a new video with respect to Ibps Clerk self-given exam analysis. Okay, so my voice is not so perfect because I was suffering from throat pain, so please manage with that. So now today I had examination from 11:30 to 12:30 p.m. So it was in the shift 2. So totally there will be 4 shifts, out of which I got the shift number 2. So as and the crowd for this examination will be very high, as you all know, because it's a banking examination. And I was surprised to see that in my center students from Kerala were also present. Maybe their vacancy in Kerala is less, so they have applied to Karnataka, but they don't know the problems that they will face in the language proficiency test. But anyways, let it be. Let us concentrate on this video. So the first one was English. So English, I would say it was easy to moderate. There are some question which was tricky because the passage was very lengthy in my shift. Okay, so the passage was very lengthy, and all other things like the fill in the blanks and jumbled words and closed tests, these were the normal things that any student can attend. But the only one thing is that and they'll give a statement and divide it into 4 parts like ABCD, and we have to find which part has the grammatical error. So this was a bit difficult for me. So out of 5 I was able to attend only 2 of these kind of questions. So apart from that, all other questions were similar in pattern. It was easy also, so nothing to be worried about English. So my total attempts were 26 on 30 for English. Okay, and now let us come to the second part, that is quantitative aptitude. So quantitative aptitude, initially I thought start in the starting I skipped the wrong number series so that I could have saved the time and do this wrong number series in the last. So first I was searching for DI, and there was only one DI for my surprise. So I was very surprised to see that only one DI was there, and it was graph based DI, and it was very simple. Like there was graphs where organic and inorganic manure manufacturing was there between 3 companies A, B and C, and based upon that we had to calculate for the given questions. But here the trick was the divisions. So usually it will be in the division of 5 or like tens, but here the one division was of 4 units. So if you don't look into do these things, then you may lose marks. So the further shift students can have a good note of this. Okay, and the next part was simplification and approximation. So it was also easy, it was not so difficult, and I was able to solve all the simplification approximations. And after that I went for wrong number series, and out of 6 I guess I got 4. So wrong number series was also not so difficult, it could have been managed. And then I saw the arithmetic questions and did like the partnership, boat, ages. So I did these kind of questions. So in quantitative aptitude my total attempts were 27 on 35, which was okay. As I said, I did not get some in wrong number series, and I left some of the arithmetic questions. And after that, the time was over, so it's okay. 27 was a good attempt for me because my reasoning is strong. So I went for reasoning. So I did all the miscellaneous questions. Okay, like the inequalities and direction, all these kind of questions. And I went to the puzzle. The first question was different, like the number series. Almost 20 numbers were present, and it was like even number should be dropped, and you need to calculate the preceding and forwarding something. These kind of questions were there. 5 questions were based on that, and 5 questions were flat and floor based puzzles, and 5 questions were square puzzle, where 4 were looking inside and 4 were looking outside, sitting at the corners and sitting at the middle. So this was one of the puzzle. And there was one more puzzle which was very simple, like the 8 months were given and 8 people had to be placed. So this was very easy. So initially I solved 34 questions, and I was looking into the 35th question, which was single. Like it was based on alphabets, like three set of alphabets were given in five options, and we had to choose the odd one out. So in for this, I had just 45 seconds. So in this 45 seconds, I thought of getting 35 on 35 in reasoning. So I tried my best. So while yeah, calculating the number place of these alphabets, I got the answer as the last one as the answer. But as and when I went to click this option as the answer, the time went off and the screen paused away. So I was a bit sad because I got the answer, but still I was unable to mark. So my reasoning attempts were 34 on 35. So overall, my total attempts on 100 was 87. Is 87. It would have been 88 if I had attended that, but it's okay. 87 is also a good attempt, and as I said, the difficulty level for my shift was easy to moderate, but tilting towards easy itself. Only the quant section was a bit. It was like a 0.2% difficult. That's it. All other things were very easy. And English, as I said, the passage was lengthy. Apart from that, it could have been managed. So I guess the normalization will have effect. But since my attempts are good and also attempts are 87, and accuracy is around 90%, 88 to 90%. So nothing to worry. And yeah, this was the complete analysis. So normalization, yes, will have effect, but let us see the other shift also, because if all the shift will be having same kind of difficulty level, then it won't be a problem. Okay, and next the result date. So the result will be out in 20 days. So each and every examination of IBPS will take its time. So for example, if you know the RRB office assistant or RRB PO also, it will take 20 days. So by 5th of this month, RRB OA should be out, but due to some technical glitches, re-examination is taking for office assistant, so it will be delayed. But the probationary officers will be out on 10th, because the examination was on 20th of last month, so 20 days. So if you take third, today is third, tomorrow is fourth, so by 24th, so, oh sorry, by 24th you will get the results of IBPS clerk. Okay, and yeah, if you think talk about the difficulty level, I mean the cutoffs. So for the state, I had applied from state of Karnataka, and usually the cutoffs will be around 67 to 70. So this year also I can expect the same, because in the examination all I was seeing, like nobody was attempting the questions. They were simply trying to see which all questions they can solve. The puzzles thing and all, if you don't have practice you can't do anything. So I saw many students, they were struggling for solving these kind of easy puzzles itself. Then if they see the mains level, PO level puzzles, then I don't know what they will do. Let it be. So this was the complete analysis, guys. If you like the video, please like it and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. You can also um, text in your number of attempts in the comment section or in telegram group. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.